Installing our web extension on Microsoft Edge is really easy. To start, make sure that you're on the Web Extension tab within your ZeroKey account. Then, you'll need to find the Microsoft Edge option and visit Edge Add-ons. This will open a new tab where you can click the Get button. When you do so, a message will appear, which simply means that you can move client data from Technology A to Technology B via ZeroKey. For example, this could mean moving client data from your back office in Teleflow to the platform Transact via our web extension. And as soon as you select Add Extension, you should then see a notification in the top right of your browser informing you that it's been successfully installed. Now, and the most important point, we want to make sure that you have easy access to the web extension. So we're going to go back into ZeroKey, select the jigsaw style icon, and click to show ZeroKey in the toolbar. This makes sure that the blue smiley face is easily visible and accessible at the top of your web browser.